फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू कम्प्रिहेंसिव नर्सिंग यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप आप सभी हेल्दी, वेल्दी, फिट एंड हैप्पी होंगे। आज हम आपके लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट गोल्डन पॉइंट का वीडियो पार्ट 1 लेकर हाजिर है। और ये गोल्डन पॉइंट में 70 गोल्डन पॉइंट्स है जो नर्सिंग के होल सिलेबस पर बेस्ड है। अगर आप यूपीपीएससी या महाराष्ट्र डीएचएस की एग्जाम देने जा रहे हो तो डेफिनेटली आपने ये पूरा वीडियो देखना चाहिए। आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। और हमने स्पेशल फ्री एग्जाम सीरीज प्रिपेयर की है, वो भी आपके लिए महत्वपूर्ण है। एग्जाम सीरीज भी आप एक बार देख लीजिए। सीरीज की लिंक हम वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल देंगे। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑन कर लीजिए और वीडियो को लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर करना मत भूलिए। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट नंबर है डक्टस आर्टेरियोसस क्लोज सून आफ्टर बर्थ। Second number, capacity of the newborn stomach is 90 ml. Question number 3, Apgar score assessment should be done at 1 to 5 minutes after birth. Fourth, bilirubin is the end product of catabolism of heme. Fifth, neonatal sepsis is the single most important cause of neonatal death. Echolia, repetition of speech by imitation by the patient. 7 number is confabulation, fill the gap in his memory by making up on his own. 8. The most common type of dementia is Alzheimer's disease. 9. Commonest cause of first trimester abortion is trisomy. 10. Uterine inversion means inside out turning of the uterus. 11. Graphical presentation of stage of labor is partograph. 12. Assessment of labor is done by partograph. 13. Lactopoiesis synthesis of milk. 14. Galactokinesis maintain of lactation. 15. Galactorrhea excessive and inappropriate milk. 16. Help hemolysis elevated liver enzymes low platelet syndrome. 17. Most common cause of breech is prematurity. MTP medical termination of pregnancy act come into force in April 1972. 19. Commonest variety of cervical cancer is squamous cell carcinoma. 20. Postmenopausal woman has a risk for fracture of bone due to osteoporosis. 21. Antidotes, substances that are used to counteract the effect of poison. 22. Pharmacopoeia, book containing a list of products used in medicine. 23. Anti-metabolites disrupts or slow cancer cell growth or cause their death, usually prescribed for leukemia and solid tumor. Example, fluorosil. 24. Acute onset of cough, stridor and dyspnea in a child is mostly due to foreign body aspiration. 25. Angular stomatitis is a cause due to the deficiency of riboflavin. 26. Smoking during pregnancy causes intrauterine growth retardation. 27. Down syndrome is associated with trisomy 21. 28. Which of the following anthropometric measurement is the best suited for a rapid screening of protein energy malnutrition? That is mild mid-arm circumference. 29. Bronze baby syndrome is a complication of phototherapy. 13. Breathlessness in a child when improved with oxygen therapy humidification, then diagnosis is bronchitis. 31. Breast milk is a deficient in iron. 32. The fine downy hair covering the skin of newborn is dagueo. The umbilical cord contains 2 arteries, 1 vein. 34. Pinpoint pupil is a manifestation of poisoning with organophosphorus. 35. Prehension appear at the age of 5 to 10 years. 36. Hemophilia is a disease caused by the deficiency of coagulation factor, that is 8. 37. Iodine is a nutrient necessary for production of thyroxine hormone. 38. BCG vaccine is a live attenuated vaccine. 39. Effective method of health education are group discussion. 14. Disinfection of well. 2.5 gram of bleaching powder is needed for 1000 liter of water. 41. The concept of primary health care was introduced during the Alma-Ata conference in the year 1978. 42. The rich source of folic acid is liver. 43. One average size of the egg provide 1.5 milligram of iron. 44. DDT is used as a fly control measure mosquito. 45. First dose of vitamin A is a 1 lakh international unit. 46. Acid is essential for metabolism of iron. 58. Kwashiorkor is caused by protein deficiency. 47. Deficiency of iodine cause goiter. 48. During pregnancy, iron requirement of mother is 38 milligram. 49. The rich source of vitamin A is carrot. 50. Pasteurization is a method of disinfection of milk. 51. Which of those does not belonging to B complex group of vitamin ascorbic acid? Which of the following is the component of bone and teeth? Calcium. 53. Daily requirement of calcium for pregnant and lactating mother is 1000 milligram. 54. The average water loss in urine is 1500 ml. 55. HIV virus belong to which of the following group? Retrovirus. 56. Life cycle of the malarial parasite was first described by Ronald Ross. 57. Most often cells from blood infected by HIV are CD4 T lymphocytes. 58. Urine sample for culture is collected from midstream urine. 59. Father of microbiology Louis Pasteur. 60. ELISA stand for enzymes linked immunosorbent assay. 61. Vidal test is used for diagnosis of syphilis. 62. In the case of ID-form mole in a follow-up patient after treatment, the woman is monitored regularly for serum HCG level. 63. In the routine antenatal exam, the midwife is sure that the uterine fundus can be held at the level of the umbilicus at 12 weeks of gestation. 64. Puerperium period lasts for how many weeks? 6 weeks. 65. Which uterine layer change into decidua during pregnancy? Endometrium. 66. What is the meaning of the term ectosia, that is normal labor? 67. What is the color of amniotic fluid in post-maturity? Saffron. 68. Progesterone is normally secreted in large quantities by the corpus luteum. 69. The perception of active fetal movements mother felt about 18th week is a term, that is quickening. 17. Oxytocin act directly on myometrium. Thank you friends for watching video. Don't forget the subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.